welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to be doing Try Not to Be Impressed on this new video. Credit to BCC Trolling. What? Either that's a really good weapon, or that's probably maybe a fake default. Comment down below if you like this new weapon or if you've even used it. I haven't used it yet, so I can't wait to test it out. He just took it from him. Wow. Just not lucky. Comment down below who's your favorite, or who you think the best Fortnite player in the world is. Wow. Sorry about that. What? Killed 4 people. Who knew Ninja would do that? How did he hit them? How did he hit them? This is too cool. Ninjas? To me, Ninja's one of the best. Maybe Tifu's a little better, but they're still pretty good.
You want me to fly? You want me to fly? No, we're just gonna video on the
Air Royale? Have y'all ever gotten Air Royale? Leave it in the comment section below. By the way, I've been making me and my brother have been making most of the videos lately because my friend hasn't been here. He's been on vacation. So yeah. Oh, good job. Can he hit it? Oh, I thought he was going to no-scope someone. What? Okay, guys, I've already been impressed like 5-6 times. This video is just kill him. Wow, the other, oh, never mind, I thought the other dude got away. How do you do that? How would you hit that? Well, I guess you would go in the exact same way. Oh, stupid. Oh wow, I didn't even realize that he was a banana. Peely and the other dude. What? That's odd. Comment down below what is your favorite season in Fortnite. I swear he would have survived that. Okay. What? Who hit him? going to stop there. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below how many times you got impressed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.